I'm related to a pirate. No, really I am. I'm related to a pirate. There's pirate blood in my veins. I'm related to a pirate, and you'll have to take my word. My family doesn't have many legends, it's the only one I've heard. What have you got? What have you got? I bet you're not related to a pirate. Maybe you have in your family have a black sheep. My sheep's blacker than your sheep. I'll drink you under the table, and baby, while you're down there, baby, while you're down there, oh, I can weaken your family tree, baby, you and me. They had to give him an island to keep him off the high seas, and he was even knighted. They were trying to appease his lust for blood and for fortune, but it didn't really work. Then one day he retired. You know, not many pirates can. I don't measure up. You know I'm only half bad. I don't live up to him. But still I do some small things. When you go to the bathroom, I pull coins from your purse. Maybe I'll pull your legs and wrap them around me. I'll pollute your jeans. Don't miss this opportunity. Baby, you and me. Baby, you and me. Come on, baby, you and me. Come on now, baby, you and me. So I'll sing my shanty, and I'll fool around with you, but I'll give fair warning, I wouldn't try to get too close, because I can't be trusted. I don't even trust myself. I'm related to a pirate. Don't let me steal your dreams.